welcome you watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. 104 armed police constables from Umran complete training. Public hearing held on village relocation proposal by JHADC Delimitation Committee. Shillong Rapido youths denounce illegal earnings allegations. And AKMTDA urges Meghalaya government to restrict tourist taxi entry. And now the news in detail. On 9th of July, the 6th Meghalaya Police Battalion in Umran Ribhoi district celebrated the passing out parade of 104 newly trained armed police constables. The ceremony was graced by Shrimati Idashisha Nongrang, Director General of Police Meghalaya, who served as the chief guest. In her address, Nongrang praised the recruits for their dedication and hard work throughout their training. She emphasized the significance of their roles in ensuring public safety and urged them to uphold the values of politeness and respect while fulfilling their duties. Nongrang also congratulated those who received awards, encouraging others to strive for excellence. The parade, attended by police chiefs from Shillong, Nongpo and various relatives, marked the official induction of the new constables into the state police force.
From Shillong here campus before taking up her assignment in Ladies and gentlemen, each contingent will now be marching to the dais.
Followed by Cadre number 2, commanded by UPRC, Luminous Marvin approaching the dais for giving the salute.
On arm run, recruit constable Chong Maharaj, the battalion commander approaching the recruit constable Manjirud Har.
With a strand of 26 personnel led by Sergeant Commander Anand Branch, the responsible mid-colonel veterans of Patna.
To address especially the ladies and gentlemen who are here, the families of all the recruit constables passing out today, and most importantly, the recruit constables who are here today. All 104 of you have done yourselves proud. As we stand here today, and after taking the oath to serve the Meghalaya Police, let me be the first to welcome you into the Meghalaya Police family. As you pass out today, you have before you an unblemished record. There are some amongst you who have won prizes. This should be taken as an inspiration and as an indication that you have many more prizes.
On July 9, 2024, the Delimitation Committee of the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, JHADC, launched a public hearing regarding the proposal to relocate villages between MDC constituencies. The proposal affects 3 constituencies: War East, War West and War Central. During the hearing, many local leaders and residents voiced strong opposition to the proposed relocations, preferring to remain within their current constituencies. Key suggestions included Kolmen Poshna's call for Pedengkarong, Amsurwai and Amralang to stay in War East, and Bapi Pakanten's proposal to consolidate villages into a single Satpator district. The committee has invited further written feedback by 3 p.m. on July 19th.
Kapri
In Shillong, Rapido youths expressed dismay at accusations of illegal earnings during a media meeting. The youths who operate two-wheelers for Rapido insisted that their work is transparent and legal, conducted openly rather than in secrecy. They were particularly taken aback by a recent seizure of Rapido vehicles by DTO Enforcement Police in Lajumkra, calling the allegations of illegal activity unfounded. The youths emphasized that their work is essential for supporting themselves and their families, and they were shocked by the enforcement action and its implications.
Shillong City, the Barakat di Bakamai, pun na perang jingi di Baduk, di balik sekolah, di Basiam jingi ahi ngasam, warla ngi ladap di jing puleru, Henry warla ngi dap di digiriru, nyok kam nyok jam, nomor ba percaya menta, pun tangka kapam stop, di nagalyang jingi ki kun Samla, jong kabri hunyo terap, di isosi jur ba bun kijing kentho bun kijing keno yangi ki Samla ba ki ong ba ikamai tu hato dan ikamai tu ni peni semua yang gadur jongi ka semua yang gadur jongi atau bun ki pasenjar na preng jongi ki pakamai dan ki ba ni sim yang gador dan ki ba item yang iru sesbun hangta kadai semua bangi ni pan kuput jaki
di kaweng ni ka pan pa mau beli ba kidar ki pakamai online ba offline dei mana tangi kamai ya ke online nak mau yo jong last yang kamai online jam di kador kaduna pelat lalu hak siu ya ke GST soal tu fi kau ke company Rapido di langkah taru kador kami hak show kaduna pelat magi ngi trade kilo kang begini onong lalu ulu balik bisnes begini onong baik dan ben ong do onong fi di kata ngaru tang pangam simi ka call baka atli ki call ki suspend dengan sistem 1 year di komersial cuma orang call company yang alik kedua pemalkin kata lek malki pat menjulan beri ke office fi kita kata kalau kapelong niat dia yang ni betang bam simi ka call atau suspend sistem kan kadu mentang kami kemai di sistem kat fi tadi bang dan kumi ba lock akun dai dingin pasal lagi ngin pam lagi marni hingga ki banyak video ni bang fi kemai dah step ki bam damir fi tim ta ka government tu dia tekan ta jungi gan mamta pun punya video kita ki bam dan kam dalam jam ni sisen kena yang don takam macam like jingbin masni gan like dikit drugs addicts kita jingbin masni lalu kena buat don kam dalam jam poi to dan poi gadi drugs poi cek kam kita masni gan jika tak government tu dia tekan jungi gan fi dia manta hadu manta tim tip ha ka duki orang bag next sikit lah keren.
The All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association (AKMTTA), led by President Ricaldinus Dolling, has called on the Meghalaya government to impose restrictions on tourist taxis from other states operating within the state. The association has asked Tourism Development Minister Ba Paul Lyngdoh to regulate the influx of foreign tourist taxis, arguing that their presence negatively impacts the earnings of local taxi drivers. Ricaldinus Dolling explained that while they support the entry of foreign taxis to bring tourists to the state, they advocate for these vehicles to drop tourists in Shillong and use local taxis for further travel. This measure, they argue, would help boost the income of Meghalaya's taxis drivers and align with practices in other states.
Yo don ki bastu baklangan sai ma hi khang tang nam ta ban ki tourist taxi ban bar ki bichu ban ki tourist spot jungi ki ban yalam kai ki ndri ni kwa bangi pan ni timan ni kwa bangi ong ki sarkar ba in town no da ka policy bangi la ban ra bangi ki try local taxi hi ki badai ban ki tourist taxi ban ni jala jungi ban yalam kai saka ki tourist spot ki jungi hi Tapi kumpulkan ke isu jungi kalau nak benar kumpulkan ni kerana bangin kang no ikali di mana bar state dan ni ayu sakum ke kali asam di bawah kamai sini bangin kang iki benar kamai. Dari nak kalian jungi ni orang baik in kang kepat nak sorka ban kang tang tourist spot. Kila banon kamai kan unu ke bentar jungka Shillong jungi. Kila banon passenger kira sharing ni dari kapor ni kumpulkan ship sini ke di kamera kita jadi bentar kita. Ni kerana kang ikali bana bar on ban num sha shoot kali bana ban tung bos ba ring shu ong bai khang tang tourist spot ki jungi ide ka kamram jungi ki local tourist taxi ki badi ban ra ki duty ki jungi ki disebut ada kali ni haban ko namar ke kerai ke bakila ya nantai hawat untuk mentaru ni sha khang umtai bisa khang umta abang nilai kalau kecik ke jungi driver tourist taxi na po MLD ki MLM nganya tu ipi ngan ai nuksang nilai si airport ni company har primo don niyo sharing tax passenger ibi niyo man po jaluk beri son po airport ketu kimpo yang tu ngin siang tak kami tu pulit Samla sondor kat sibe janmit ni para rebel jungi la ko message ba kacalan arjala saon kat bahang ni tu pi halor kata harus punya bahang ni hapo jela jungi ka kumbaburom ni kulit okey pe kap kadi andre wasam uyang kita kilai mer sau mer ada fialet man kasngi fici sibje saneng kala don kali nane shwa ka sibjiru namangi ni ai port sibje betap kali bana bar jong asam de handai pini isi saneng sport than sa than lai mer nyomer 101 sateng kala don kali asam ban apa senjalo pa shwa ka por de chati undon ba
On July 9th, 2024, Bernihad Police Station in Ribhoi district dismantled an inner line permit ILP gate erected by the Khasi Students Union KSU 3 days earlier. The gate set up by KSU leaders was intended to monitor the entry of non-tribals into Meghalaya. In addition to removing the gate, police burnt the associated banners. The Meghalaya government has established its own anti-infiltration check gate in Bernihad to regulate the movement of foreigners into the state. The police action aimed to address unauthorized ILP enforcement and maintain control over border security. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Thank you for watching.